showing just a little bit of honesty. I